Skate Tiger Cubs, and happy Tuesday to you. It is Mrs. Mullen here, and I'm going to help us with some math today, so get ready. We have been practicing this week with solving addition and subtraction, so that means adding and taking away, okay? We're also talking about word problems. Word problems is like when you make up a story and it's telling us a problem. So 3 ducks were swimming in the pond, 1 duck flew away. How many ducks are left? That is a word problem. So we're talking about those this week too. So get ready. All right. Okay. It has 2 problems up here that it wants us to look at. The first one, and I'm sorry if the light's not very good. Let me see if I can fix it. Oh, it's a little better. Okay. 2 problems up here. So we have 5 and 3 more. We have to figure out how many that equals. This has a plus. I know plus means to add, okay? 5 plus 3 equals blank. I can think of some tools I can use. I can use my fingers. I can use counters, okay? Or I can shake my 5, count on 3 more. 6, 7, 8. So 5 and 3 equals 8. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to write my 8. Make an S. Don't be late. Go back up to make an 8. Now, I want you guys to solve this next one, but I want you to look really closely. This is a takeaway. That means less, okay? We're subtracting. 8 take away 3 equals blank. Okay, so I want you to pause this video right now. Solve 8, take away 3. You can use your fingers. You can use counter. You can use whatever you want. Cheerios, whatever you have at the house. Ready, go. All right. 8, take away 3. So I'm going to make 8. Here's my 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's my 8. Okay. Take away 3. 1, 2, 3. How many is left? 5. 8 take away 3 equals 5. Very nice job. Now, what I want you to do is pause this video again, and this is going to be the fun part. If you have your brother or your sister or someone sitting there that you can tell a story problem to, I want you to tell them. So use 5 plus 3 or 8 take away 3 and tell them a story problem. Okay, just like I did about the ducks, but you can talk about dogs, whatever you want. So pause this video and tell someone a story problem about one of these problems. Ready, go. All right, we're gonna move on to the next part. I notice a little boy, and it looks like he's at the market or at the grocery store. I see a lot of different kinds of food. So I'm going to tell you a story problem, and I want you guys to figure out what I'm talking about. Okay. So Kai goes to the grocery store, and she buys 4 pink flowers. She buys 4 pink flowers, okay? She decides that she wants to buy more flowers, so then she buys 5 yellow flowers. So we need to figure out on our page where there is 4 plus 5. So look at your page. See if you can find where I'm talking about 4 plus 5. If you looked over here, you would see that here are the flowers. 4 pink flowers and 5 yellow flowers. So I want you to go ahead and circle those. That is an equation that we can talk about. 4 and 5. Let's solve it. 4 and 5 more. Shake your 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you want to check your work, I want you to count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. So we're going to circle that. The one other one I'm going to talk to you about is, you guys make sure that you're really listening because it's a little different. All right. I see up here that there's 10 red peppers. There's 10 red peppers. What happens if when I'm cooking, I use 7 of those red peppers? I have to figure out if I'm starting with 10, I'm going to use 7 of them to figure out how many would be left. And easy way to do that would be to cross them out because we're taking away. So we're starting with 10. I am going to use 7. I must be really hungry. I'm going to use 7. So I want you guys to cross those out, okay? Pause this video, and then we'll talk about what you got. All right. So we started with 10. We're going to cross out 7. 1, 2, count with me. 4, 5, 6, 7. How many red peppers are left? I crossed out 7. I noticed that there's 3 left. So 10, take away 7, so I'm going to take away 5, 6, 7 equals 3. So there would be 3 more red peppers. Now what I want you to do, I'm not going to tell you any more about this page. I want you to look at this page and see what kind of problems you can come up with. Maybe you can tell your brother or your sister. Maybe you could tell mom or dad. Tell them a story problem about this page and see if they can find it, okay? All right, we're moving on to the next part. Now, this is really amazing. This is like some big kid stuff. It wants us to come up with our own equations. So it gave us a picture. We need to come up with our own story problem. So I'm noticing over here, it's talking to us about limes and lemons. 2 lemons and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 limes. I noticed that this has a plus sign, which means adding, which means we're going to make bigger, we're making more. 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 6. We need to write that equation. 2 plus 6. We need to figure out what it equals, okay? 2 and 6. You can count those up there. You can use your fingers. It's up to you. I'm going to go count them up here. All right. Think about what you got. What did we get? We got an 8. 2 plus 6 equals 8. So we're going to put that right up here. Very good. Now we're going to talk about this one, and then I'm going to let you guys, you amazing mathematicians, do the rest of it all by yourself. Hopefully you can see. There is a case of water up here. We need to figure out how many water bottles are up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 bottles of water. So that's what we get to start with. We're starting with a 9. Now it's really important, that's kind of a weird looking 9. It's really important that we pay attention to the sign. That one was adding, which means making more. This is subtraction, taking away, which means making less.